Need a math tutor because you're frustrated, overwhelmed, discouraged? Take a moment to see what Shared Ideas Inc. has to offer. What if overcoming math anxiety isn't about working harder, but just about sharing one single idea? At Shared Ideas Inc., we believe every breakthrough starts with a single spark. When a student feels stuck, all it takes is one small understanding to change everything. But learning isn't a race, and everyone starts from a different step. We meet middle school students exactly where they are, helping them climb at their own pace until the next light turns on. And that's where the magic happens. When you share an idea, it grows. Suddenly, separate concepts start connecting. The anxiety fades, and the math actually starts to make sense. Before you know it, a whole room lights up with confidence. If you're ready to transform math fear into lasting success, give us a try at shared ideas.us. Let's light the way together.